Hello, my name is Tim Clark, founder of Corazon Oilfield Services. Welcome to Coring 101. This is Episode 8, Specialist Coring Systems, Full Closure and Low Invasion Systems. One of the most challenging types of formation to core are unconsolidated or soft formations. Some formations, for example the lower Fars in Kuwait, are so unconsolidated that they are impossible to recover using the standard spring catcher. Other formations are too friable, uncemented, or fractured. This has resulted in the development of the most common style of specialist coring system, full closure systems. There are three major systems that fall under this umbrella: the clamshell system, collapsing sleeve, and the soft pro system. When coring unconsolidated formations, there are a number of challenges related to parameter choice, which if badly chosen, could result in undergauge core, lost formation, or jamming. If a core is successfully cut, a full closure system is designed to prevent losing the core during the trip out of hole. Some formations can be so unconsolidated, think wet beach sand, that the core will leak through the smallest gaps in the full closure system. Most full closure systems are designed to have a standard spring catcher as a backup system in the event the formation is more consolidated than expected. The last specialist system I'm going to look at is no longer really a specialist system, but is becoming more and more part of the standard rotary coring system. When low invasion systems are discussed, it is primarily focused on the design of the core head, while also utilizing a longer shoe and taking the mud design into account. I'll go further into mud design in a future episode. Low invasion core heads are designed to redirect the flow of the mud through ports in the face of the core head rather than through the throat. The geochemistry of the core can be dramatically affected by filtrate invasion during the coring process, making analysis of water saturation, effective permeability, and residual oil saturation unreliable. Low invasion coring systems prevent dynamic filtrate invasion ahead of the bit, at the bit face, and at the bit throat, whilst also preventing static filtrate invasion by encouraging the creation of a substantial filter cake inside the inner barrel. In this episode, we looked at two of the most common specialized rotary coring systems, and that has covered the major specialized systems. In a future episode, I will look at logging while coring, but in the meantime, the next episode, I'm going to touch briefly on another important concept for core analysis: wettability. Thanks for listening, and before I go, I'd just like to say, if you've enjoyed this video, then please feel free to share it, subscribe to my channel, and also visit corozonoil.co.uk using the links that have appeared on screen.